How to check Fidelity account balance. Hey guys, welcome back. In this following video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can check Fidelity account balance. In order to do that procedure, first thing first, what you need to do is make sure that the device is connected to an internet service. So the procedure to check your balance on Fidelity is quite different from checking balance on any other application. You can check a Fidelity bank balance via SMS by simply typing in a toll-free number. I'll make sure to leave it on my description box below. And after entering your PIN. While doing this procedure, make sure that you're using the same phone number that is linked to your Fidelity account as well. After typing in, the money left into your Fidelity will be displayed through a text on your device. However, if it is not a convenient method, what else you can do is open up a new tab and on the search box type in how to check Fidelity account balance, and after that you'll be able to see a list of results. Right on this page, you can see there are contact info as well, through which you can get hold of a customer service and you need to provide in some information. You'll be able to access your account balance. In this way, you can check your account balance of Fidelity. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.